2 plus 2 equals 4, and 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 2 squared also equals 4. So the expression becomes 4 times 6 plus 4, which equals 28. But this answer is completely wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is an acronym that shows the order of operations in math. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Operations inside parentheses and exponents are done first, then multiplication/division, and finally addition/subtraction from left to right. Multiplication and division, as well as addition and subtraction, have equal priority. Thank you for staying with us until now. By subscribing and liking, you give us the energy to create even better content. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first solve what is inside the parentheses, so 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then we handle the exponent, and 2 squared equals 4. The expression becomes 2 plus 2 times 6 plus 4. Here, multiplication has priority, so 2 times 6 equals 12, and the total sum equals 18. That's all for this one. Join our growing community by subscribing today. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next.